College of Commerce. Now I am explaining the topic about types of series. In statistics, whatever the data is there, we can arrange the data into the three ways. One is individual series. Second one, discrete series. Third one, continuous series. Whatever the data we collected, okay, after collecting of the data, that is we can arrange in the three ways. One is individual, second discrete, and the third one is the continuous series. But what is the meaning of individual series? Whatever the data, okay, we collected the primary data individual wise. We collected the data person to person, right? That is when the data arranged in the person wise, individual. If you observe, I took the marks about the students. Marks are students. Okay. If I collected that marks roll number wise. For example, I collected roll number 1 and the marks. Roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, roll number 4, 5, 6, like that we collected. Not only that university displaying the marks individual for all 20,000, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs people, all individually. That marks they are displaying. That is called the individual. Whatever the marks we are collected or we are knowing that information, individual. For example, one subject, it took only one subject, one student mark. 1, 50, 2, 35, 3, 35, 4, 90. If it is 100 marks paper, 5, 65, 6, okay, 75. Like that, whatever marks we collected individually, separately, then it is called as individual series. Right? Then, whatever the data, we can arrange the data, whatever is collected, we can arrange in three ways. One is individual. Second one is what discrete. Same marks we are arranging in the with the exact measurement. For example, I selected some variables, and that variables are marks and number of students. I want to simplify the data. I want to simplify this. Whatever the data we collected, whether the 50 students, 100 students are n number of students, we want to simplify the data. So we are taking some measurement. That measurement is what? With exact. For example, I am taking as the 5 marks. I am taking as the 10 marks. I am taking as the 15 marks. I am taking as the 20 marks. If the paper is 100 marks paper, just I took the measurement as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 like that. When the data is taken like this, for example, 5 marks, how many students are there? 30 students got. Here, 30 students we took the individually. Same 30 students we have taken with one measurement. 5 marks, 30 students. If 10 marks, 12 students. Okay. If 15 marks, 15 students. If 20 marks, 35 students. If 20 marks, 45. So here, almost whatever the data like that, 25, 30, 35, 40, some measurement is taken, then it is called the discrete series. All observations are taken separately or individually, it is called as individual series. When the observation is taken with measurement, it is called as the discrete series. Now come to the continuous series. Now, what is the meaning of the continuous series? See here that continuous series means whatever the data, whatever the marks are there, that marks we are arranging without any gap. So here with the gap is there 5, 10. Separately we have taken 5, 10. Now we are not missing even 6, 7, 8 also, right? So here continuous means, so here also we are taking as the marks and number of students. Marks. Here marks we are taking as the limitation. So here that we have to take the starting limit and end limit. For example, which was 100 marks paper. Here we are taking as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Like that, I took, not only you can take up to 100 marks also. When we are taking this information according to the limits wise, this is class interval. Whatever the limits are there, which is called as the class intervals, this is frequency, number of, how many times frequent, whatever the observations are repeated, number of times, which is called as frequency. So 0 to 10, for example, I am taking as 15, 10, 15, 25, 30, whatever the observation, even the 41, 42, 43, it will be included in the 40 to 50 only. Like that, these is called the continuous, where all observations are taken separately or individually, which is called individual series. When the data is taken with a measurement, with exact measurement, which is called the discrete series. So when the data is taken without any gap, which is called the continuous series. Okay, in the continuous, here under individual there is no frequencies, but under the discrete and the continuous, whatever the frequencies, number of students are there, number of times repeated observation. These of the students are repeated 30 times, 12 times, 15. These are called frequencies. Here, when in this is the example, 0 to 10, it is maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, whatever it is. In that, how many members are repeated in between the marks, these are called frequencies. Okay, number of students, which is called the frequency. Okay, 30 to 40, 25 members frequency, 40 to 50 frequency. Right? So this is continuous series. See, into the under the continuous series, if you observe these, this is called as all individually frequencies. Frequency means what? The observation which is repeated n number of times. It is 15 times, it is 10 times, it is 15, it is 25, it is 30. These are called frequencies. And if you observe this class interval, these left hand side values are called lower limit and the right hand side values are called upper limits. Lower limits and upper limit. So under the class interval must be required lower limit and upper limit. If you observe, see under the class intervals. So these are the continuous series. These class intervals again classified into. We are continuing the next part, class interval. Class intervals again we can arrange in the 3 ways. The 3 ways are, one is exclusive method, second one inclusive method, third one open end class method. These are the 3 methods are very, very important. Exclusive, inclusive and open end class method. Now, what is the meaning of exclusive and what is the meaning of inclusive and what is the meaning of open end? Exclusive. See previously taken marks and number of students. Right here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So exclusive, inclusive. Exclusive meaning is what? The upper limit of the class. The upper limit of the class included in that class itself, that excluded from that class. Sorry, the upper limit of the class is excluded from that class and included in the next class. For example, 0 to 9, even though 8 marks and even though 7 marks, even though and 6 marks, we are recording here. If you got 10 marks, that cannot be recorded in the first class. It will be recorded in the second class, 10 to 20. 10 marks can be taken 10 to 20. And if you got 20 marks, that should be taken under the 20 to 30. That should be taken under the 20 to 30, not under the 10 to 20. So these are called exclusive method. What are the frequencies? 15, 20, 35, 20, 15. These, which one is what? Exclusive method. The upper limit of the class excluded from that class and it is included in the next class. And inclusive method. Here under the inclusive method, marks and number of students we are taking, but in that marks we are recording 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Here the upper limit of the class is included in that class itself. It cannot be taken here. This upper limit is 9. 9 should be included here. But under the exclusive method, this is not included. It is excluded. it is included. So it is called the inclusive method, it is called the exclusive method. Here 10 is not recording, 10 comes under the next class interval. 9 is recording and that class interval cannot be taken next one. So it is called as what? Just example of the, okay, these are the frequencies and the example. These are the marks. Upper limit is excluded, included in that class, it is called the inclusive method. The upper limit of the class excluded in this class, which is called the exclusive method. And the next one is what? Open-end class method, last one. Open-end means what? So in that, the lower limit of the first class, lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last class, we don't know about that one. The two points are not known. For that reason, which is called as open-ended class. For example, if you observe wages and number of students. So wages we are taking normally 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000, 4000 above, 4000, 5000. This is the exclusive method. In the under the exclusive one, it is open and last. So this is below. This is 4000 and above. Right? We don't know about 1000 below means what, whether it started from the 500 or whether it started from the 400, we don't know in this one. We don't know this below and we don't know this above. 4000 to above, up to 10,000, up to 20,000, whatever it is, then it is comes under the open end. We don't know about the first class interval lower limit and last class interval upper limit. For that reason, which is called as open end class method. Here just I am taking one example as frequencies. Okay, continuous series of three categories: exclusive, inclusive, open end. Under the exclusive, the upper limit of the class is excluded from that class, included in the next class, excluded and included in the next class. Inclusive means what? The upper limit is included in that class. Open ended means what? First lower limit, class interval lower limit, and last class interval upper limit are not known. It is called the open end class method. Whatever the observations are repeated, which is called as frequency, right? So in this class we discussed about one is types of series. Not only that, we discussed about the class intervals divisions, how many categories are there, right? As per the degree point of view, these are the three we have to learn, right? And further classes I'll give the continuous updation. Okay, thank you so much.